Hey guys, this is an example of parallel line and transversal situation. So we have a diagram. Parallel lines are HE and AD. They're cut by a transversal BF at points G and C. They gave us angle 5N and angle 2N plus 66 right down here. Now I'm using different colors to show those lines. Pink and the purple, they're parallel lines, and this orange is the transversal going across. Now, what we need to do is first we need to define the relationship between these two angles. Now, if we see that the angle relationship is either corresponding alternate interior or alternate exterior, once we know that if the angle pair is in fact or indeed one of these, then we can say that they're congruent. So let's see what's the type of relationship they have. So first of all, I'm going to shade. If an angle is between these two parallel lines, so I'm shading green. If the angle is between these two parallel lines, we will call them interior. If not, they are not interior, rather they are exterior. Now we see that angle 5N is not in that shaded regions, it's outside. Angle 5N is outside, and angle 2N plus 66 is also outside. So if they're outside, they're both exterior angle. Okay. Next thing is we look at this orange transversal line, and then we just define, we call this the left hand side of the transversal line, and this the right hand side of the transversal line. Now Fn 5n is on the left hand side of the transversal line, and the angle 2n plus 66 on the right hand side. Since one is on the left hand side, the other one is on the right hand side, we have alternate. So angles are alternating. So now we have alternate exterior angles. So these two angles are alternate exterior, so they must be congruent. Now if they're congruent, we can set up this equation. We can say 5n is equal to 2n plus 66. Now we want to solve for n, so first of all we will take away 2n from this side and 2n from this side. So 5n take away 2n is 3n. 2n cancels out. We have 66 remaining. And then to find n, we need to get rid of 3. So we'll divide this side by 3. We'll divide that by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1n, or just n. 66 divided by 3, that's 22. So n is 22. We got it. Now, let's just go ahead and plug this n to see the exact value of this angle. Now, if I plug in n equals to 22 for 5n, so I'm going to take 5 times it by 22, and that gives me 110 degrees. So this angle is 110. If I do the same thing with 2n, so I'm going to take 2 and multiply it by n, which is 22, plus 66. That gives me 44 plus 66, which equal to 110. So this is 110, this is also 110. Now they're exactly congruent as they're supposed to be because they are alternate exterior angles.